when you're not at work, you are trying to focus on other things and having other hobbies that don't include anything to do with your job. And I think that's also important. Even when you are applying to vet school, they are looking for, people who are all-rounded, well-rounded people. From being on the admissions board, I know for sure they are always looking for people who don't just have that academic side. They want people who, are on sport teams, that, have other hobbies that they like to do, not just vet related animal things. They want to make sure that you are a well-rounded person, and that you are able to go through the pressures of being a vet, but also go through the pressures of going to vet school. I don't think that part really changes wherever you go, whether it's Australia or North America or the UK or whatever for school. I think that that's really, really important, and that people everyone needs to be aware of this kind of stuff, because I don't think I was aware of it when I was applying for vet school and going through it. So, yeah.
Yeah, amazing advice. Yeah, for everyone who's interested in applying, obviously this webinar is about how to make your application stand out. So that's amazing advice. I'm actually going to ask the same question to Bri. So what would you say made your vet application stand out the most? Obviously, your trip to live abroad was a huge factor in that, but anything specifically?
I think what may have had it stand out the most could have been my emergency technician role at the specialty hospital that I work at, because I was able to expand upon many stories from work through the supplemental application process with other essays as well. And telling the admissions committee to these schools what I've learned from different cases, not only anatomically about the pet, but about communication with the owners, how to handle certain situation, even like finances, things of that nature, and working as a team in the ER and working as a team with the other specialties as well. So there was a lot that the experience at this hospital has taught me outside of just veterinary medicine.
Absolutely. That's great. Great advice.